Svrakic, Fikret Hodzic, Emina Tufo, Emil from Bosnian Vines, and if I could, I would nominate Kim Kardashian, Jessie, Rihanna, and Lautner. Alright, let's try this with a little